So what's up YouTube, welcome to my channel Complete Tech Review and welcome to another walk around shoot of the Hero Splendor Plus in the BS6 variant. Yes, this one is a legend in its own category, mainly because this one has a heritage which is more than 20 plus years. Considering the fact that this one has pioneered all the 100cc segment vehicles, mainly because of the fact that it is one of the most reliable and also most frugal vehicles. So it also comes with a tagline which says fill it, shut it and forget it. So hence it proved its mettle for the last couple of years, in fact 20 plus years. So we have all grown up with this vehicle, and this one is still a popular and the most selling Hero vehicle currently that that Hero has been sold, and mainly because of its reliability and its engine and also its mileage. So let's check out what this BS6 motor has to offer and what are the features in this BS6 variant. So to start off with, the heart of the engine is the 99.3 CC6 engine, and this one delivers around 8.2 PS of power at 8000 RPM. Yes, this is a rev happy engine. The gearing is again a 4-speed gearing where the gearing is one down and all up. So in that sequence it comes with a fuel injection motor, and the FI system is again Hero claim program fuel injection. The bike weighs around 110 kgs and for a 100cc vehicle it is a pretty good weight. But the plus point of the vehicle is its build quality. So if you see the build quality, it is all premium. Like for example, the chain cover, it's a metal unit, the suspension is all metal, and the rear suspension is a spring-loaded unit which comes with adjustability. The front is a telescopic unit, and it also has a long travel. On the braking side, it gets the combi braking system, which is in Hero's language integrated braking system, and this one ensures that once when you engage the front brake, even the rear brakes gets engaged. The wheels are alloy wheels and are light, and also the tires are the Seat Secure Zoom type tires. There's a small toolkit over here in the front, and also the BS6 canister is integrated into the fuel, into the tailpipe. So thereby this one ensures to be compliant with the BS6 norms. The tank capacity is close to around 10 to 11 liters, and with the mileage claims which is around upwards around 70, it has a good tank range. Again, the tank also comes with this lock type mechanism where you can open this tank cover and then open the fuel lid. So that's how this was initially engineered. So this is like a two-step lock. On the instrumentation panel, the instrumentation panel is a completely analog unit. It also gets a side stand indicator, a BS6 indicator. Basically this is the fuel indicator, meaning the FI indicator. It also gets a fuel gauge which is analog, an odometer which is analog, the turn indicators, and coming to the switchgear quality, it also is okay. It's not that great. The I3S button, and this one ensures the engine start stop button. So basically this one, when you idle for more than I think 2 to 3 minutes, the engine automatically turns off, and then as soon as you rev the accelerator, it switches on by itself, thereby ensuring to save fuel. But apart from that, the other switchgear qualities include there's the high beam and the low beam switch. So not that of good quality, but okay considering the price. The rest of the bike looks familiar. The age-old design hasn't been changed over the years. It also gets a small bash plate kind of a thing. This is a double barrel tube where this ensures that the frame is very rigid, and hence it has taken the beating and has a legacy which is of so many years. I also like the seat, which is narrow but is very comfortable. It also comes with this rear grab rail, which is having this extension where you can keep probably a small top box, but it looks very purposeful. On the styling front, it gets the front headlamp, which is having the small cover, so that's good. And the indicators are the flex type ones, so which is a good sign. So all in all, it's a good package, and Hero was, the segment leader in the 100cc segment vehicles, and it is with this bike, and also the HF Deluxe, it certainly is the segment leader in that segment. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do so, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is Kevin signing off, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.